Substance use disorder involves a pattern of symptoms caused by an individual continue using a substance despite its negative effects. You continue to use a substance knowing that substance that can harm you or kill you, but you continue to use it. Have self-control over that substance. Substance use disorder affects you mentally. It can affect your mental health. It can cause chronic health conditions. It can mess up your kidneys. It can mess up your lungs. It can mess up your liver. It can kill you. It can affect you. It can affect your genetics. Substance use disorder can cause trauma. Some people use substances to cure their trauma. Substance is not going to cure your trauma. You cannot escape from your trauma by using a substance. Seek help and get help. Some doctors will say substance use disorder is treatable but not curable. I'm here to tell you that it is treatable and curable. And why am I telling you that? I will tell you why. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm TK, and welcome students to another episode of Truth and Knowledge, Life Coaching with Trey Knowles. And today's episode, we're talking about substance abuse. Not only I'm going to talk about substance abuse, but I'm going to give you the cure to substance abuse. You say, what? Yes, I'm going to give you the cure to substance abuse. Grab your pencil, grab your pen, take notes, and if you know anybody is under substance abuse, this is the class to watch. Are you ready? Well, what is substance abuse? Substance abuse is anything that's subbing in you and subbing you out. Anything that's subbing in you and subbing you out is substance abuse. Why do I say that? My students, my brothers and sisters, my friends, why do I say that? Because if you're not acting normal or acting natural, you're under substance abuse. If you're not acting normal or natural, you're under substance abuse. When we come back, I'm going to give you more, and we're going to talk more about substance abuse when I come back. Welcome back. We're talking about substance abuse. We all know of alcohol and drugs as substance abuse, but not just these things cause substance abuse. Whatever affects your mind, heart, then spirit, soul, body is substance abuse. Let's say that one more time. Whatever affects your mind, heart, then spirit. Why did I say heart, then spirit? Because your heart is like a store, okay? Whatever harbors inside your heart, it carries out. So whatever you're putting inside your heart is going to affect your spirit, which you carry out. So whatever affects your mind, affects the way you think, gets into your heart, affects your spirit, carries out, and your soul is your faith in what you believe. All right? Is your faith. Your soul is your faith. Your body, the reason why your body is the last one because your body is not very important. Why am I saying your body is not very important? Because if I was in a wheelchair and I'm happy, right? I'm in a wheelchair, I'm happy, I'm normal, I'm living a great life, I'm normal, I'm natural, I'm pure. Nothing's affecting my mind, nothing's affecting my heart. My spirit is great, my soul is great, my body's just messed up. So your body's not really important. Whatever affects your mind, heart, then spirit, soul, body, is substance abuse. What subs in you and subs you out is substance abuse. When we come back, we're going to talk about what is substance. So you already know what substance abuse is. What is substance? When we come back, we're talking about what is substance. Substance. Anything that's clean, pure, and has truth is substance. Anything that's clean, pure, and has truth is substance. So if you're not clean, and if you're not pure, and you have no truth in you, you're dirty. You're dirty. So you're not clean, you're not pure, you're dirty. So if you're dirty, what does that mean? You're under substance abuse. Anything that's born of God is natural. Are you born of God? Are you natural? Because anything that's born of God is natural. It's pure. It's clean. And it has truth. So when we come back, I want you to think about that. I want you to examine yourself. When we come back, we're going to think about it. We're going to examine ourselves. Are we clean? Are we pure? Are we under substance abuse? So when we come back, we're going to find that out. I'll be right back. Substance abuse. Question and examine yourself. Are you natural? Well, let's find out. Your mind affects your thinking. So are you thinking normal? Your heart affects your behavior. So is your spirit normal? Your soul affects your will, which affects your belief. So is your soul pure? If you're not natural, you are not normal. So that means you need to examine yourself so you won't be under substance abuse. Why do I say under substance abuse? Because whatever is over you is controlling you. Whatever is over you is controlling you. So I want you guys to write that down. I want you to write, so what am I thinking normal? Is my spirit normal? Is my soul pure? And if it's not, why? If all three of those are not normal, you're under substance abuse. And what are you going to do about it? What are you going to do about it? Examine yourself. Examine yourself. When we come back, we're going to talk about what is the cure to substance abuse. What is the cure to substance abuse? The cure to substance abuse is the action of being clean, pure, and truthful. The cure to substance abuse is the action of being clean, pure, and truthful. Now, why do I say action? Because it takes action to be dirty. So when you're walking in substance, you're trusting something. What are you trusting? If you're walking in substance, you're trusting something. What are you trusting? We'll find out when we come back. The actions to cure substance abuse. The actions to cure substance abuse. Your mind will listen to what is clean and pure. Your heart will store what is clean and pure. And your spirit will rejoice in the truth. Why? Why do I say this? Because love does not delight in evil, but rejoices in the truth. Say it one more time. Why? Why will your spirit rejoice in the truth? Because love does not delight in evil, but rejoices in the truth. Your soul is your will, and your belief is your faith. Why? Why do I say this? Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. I'll say that one more time. Now faith is a substance. So your faith. So remember it says your faith is your soul and your will, right? Now faith is the substance, right? So we know what substance is. Substance is whatever is pure, whatever is clean, whatever is pure. So now faith is the substance. Now faith is substance. What is the substance? Something that's clean and pure, right? Of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. So it's the substance. The substance, wherever the substance is that's clean, pure, is also the evidence of things not seen. When we come back, we're going to find out. We know what substance is. We're going to find out who is substance when we come back. What is substance? Anything that's natural, clean, pure, and truthful is substance. So substance equals Jesus. Substance equals Jesus. So anything that's something in you should equal Jesus. Anything that's something in you should equal Jesus. Anything that you should hope for should equal Jesus. Anything that subs in you that you hope for should equal Jesus. The evidence is Jesus' life. The evidence is Jesus' life. So Jesus equals substance. And that's the beautiful thing. You cannot go wrong when Jesus equals substance. We'll be right back. I have never seen God, but the evidence that he exists lives in me because I have faith in Jesus. The evidence lives in me because I have faith in Jesus. Why am I saying that? Because Jesus is my substance. Jesus is my substance. He is the substance. Anything that subs in you and subs you out is substance abuse. The cure is Jesus. When you're living in Jesus, you are clean, you are pure, you are normal, and you're full of truth because Jesus is truth. He is the substance. If you're not living in the substance, you're under substance abuse. Simple and beautiful. We'll be right back. What's subbing in you should not sub you out. Substance abuse is what you trust in. Why? Because love always trusts. Who do you trust? Substance or substance abuse? Make a choice. Make your choice today. Who do you trust? Substance or substance abuse? Make that choice. Jesus is the substance. He's the only image we should follow. When Adam fell, our natural became an impure substance. When Jesus came, he became the life-giving spirit. Jesus is the pure substance for everyone to take in. The Bible explains this perfectly clear in 1 Corinthians 15:44-50. Thank you for watching. We talked about substance abuse. We talked about the cure of substance. And we found out Jesus is the substance. He is the cure of substance abuse. The Bible says, now faith is the substance of things we hope for and the evidence of things we have not seen. Hebrews 11:1. Thank you for taking today's class. This is Truth and Knowledge. I'm your host, Trey Knowles. Grace and peace, and may God bless you.